Have a wonderful and pleasant day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Joyce Kitivan Alvaro from Philippines. I'm 43 years old. I was born on July 21, 1981. I am married and I have 3 children. They are all boys. The eldest is 21 years old, the second is 19 years old, and the youngest is 17 years old. We are 3 siblings in the family, and I am the eldest, and I have 2 brothers. I'm not finished my college course. I'm only in 3rd year on college. My course is Bachelor in Elementary and Secondary Education, major in Values Education. I'm not finished my education due of lack of financial. My work experience in the Philippines, I worked as security personnel since 2011 until 2018. And my first time working abroad on October 16, 2018 as domestic helper in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. My work there is taking care of elderly, cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, and cleaning the house. I finished my contract December 16, 2021, and I come back Philippines. And I decided again working abroad as domestic helper here in Kuwait, where I am now, August 19, 2022. I finished my contract here on August 19, 2024. My work here is cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing clothes, and taking care of the children, and also marketing.